How to use version history in Google Sheets. Ever wished you could ever track changes you made on your spreadsheet? Google Sheet has your back. Let's unlock the power of version history to see what changes, who changed it, and even bring it back the old version like anytime it has been gone. So how you can do it is open the spreadsheet or Google Sheet you want the older version of. Then over here you can see edit, view, insert and format, but over here you won't find the version history. Version history is the circle icon, a arrow is in the circle and a time is over here. So if you tap on it, it's the version history. All version history. Here you can see the name as well, who had done it. If you tap on this one, then over here you can see it's a blank page. I have inserted a data over here. Like this, you can see all the versions. Name version. You can see which version you want, if you have named it or not. And here you can see other functions as well, show changes, and there you can see name this version and make a copy. What do you want to do?